Aaron, I see this is a rug that comes in our plant quite often, and it has a backing stitched onto the back. What can you tell me about this?
Well, these are referred to in the trade as cashmere chain stitch because they come from the state in India of Kashmir. And it's a local weaving tradition, and you'll see ladies using the same type of needlework on their ethnic costumes and garments. And it's an interlocking loops of successive yarns. To the untrained eye, you might call it crocheting, but it's really a particular type of interlocking yarns. And the yarns are wool, and it's sewn into this cotton backing material. And then a canvas backing of the same material is put on the back to cover it and gives it a little bit of stability.
So this backing is not glued on, it's sewn on.
That's correct. And so these are a bit floppy on the floor, and they come and go out of style. And they can be somewhat budget, or I've seen some that are quite expensive. And again, it's just it's a very distinct stitch, this chain stitch.
And I'm noticing too in the field of the rug that this chain stitch is done in concentric circles, and I think that's kind of a common characteristic of these types of rugs. And I've also noticed too on the older pieces they're made on a jute foundation.
Yes, they can be, and of course then being jute, they're subject to dry rot, and they can disintegrate over time.
Right.
Quite a bit of time.
Right. Don't see those too often.
No, I think that the cotton is what you're going to see today.
Right.
They've moved on to cotton now.
Okay.
But it's a rug that you will see very common in your plant.